We just keep going this way.
Don't care. Ooh, a fire station. Don't care.
This guy flying to the firehouse?
There's a guy flying. Yeah. He might be a solo.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed
Oh,
it.
this house was looted. Cole, did you loot this house?
We did.
Found a
Let's
sniper
push
rifle.
anime truck guy.
Oh, I need the sniper.
Then get the sniper.
Okay, so the fire station is close.
Oh, I got hella cash.
Did he drop at the fire
He's-
station?
Yeah, he's at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
He's doing a recon drone.
Yeah, and he just lit me up. Keep that same energy, boy. Keep that same energy.
Stunned him.
He ran into the back. Oh, it's gonna make it go.
Team's here.
Fire! 10 more steps.
Yeah, they are. Got They're back inside. Keep reviving Cole. They're fine.
Get up, Sergeant. He's coming around.
Down his boy. The last one left has no weapon. I don't know where he is, so just be careful. You might take anime truck, or try to.
Think he went tower.
No, I'm in tower. I don't see him.
Oh, there's
Nope, he's
shots
at military
being
base.
fired.
On the wall.
I see movement.
Rolly snipe his ass.
No, you can't see him.
Gas is closing in.
He went behind the wall.
Alright, well, let's finish looting. Unless you guys already
No.
know.
Did you get him?
He was up in the tower. I see him.
His aim is up the hill.
Got
Nice.
him. Oh, he was just downed.
This teammate probably just won the gulag.
Okay, well, I don't think he had any loot, so.
Adan,
You guys want to go back to that buy, buddy?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Enemies dropped.
Okay,
Yeah.
We're inside.
There, he's on top of the.
Oh,
he's on top of the
yeah,
tower.
he just dropped.
There's nothing up there.
He missed it. He missed it.
You guys, I'll just wait for him at the bottom of the ladder.
He missed the tower.
I'll take the wheel.
Oh, soon he'll come inside. Do you run?
I don't see him anywhere, but I don't know.
Oh my.
Oh my.
You got me coming up the
I'm
ladder.
here. Get ready to move.
Really, his name tag was right above, your name tag was right above him, so I thought that was you shooting the pistol.
So,
round.
since he was down, I'm assuming there's more.
Some logs.
Get in, boys. Keep an eye out above.
Money. Yup, yup.
Boys.
What'd you buy? What'd you get?
What'd you do?
He
Accidentally-
accidentally bought something else.
I accidentally got a munitions crate.
Oh my god, pop it down, I need it anyway.
Dropping ammo.
It wouldn't click, and then I clicked it, and then it gave me munitions. Should I buy something else, or should we just keep saving?
I'm driving.
We need
Well,
armor.
We'll
I
probably
don't
get
know. Yeah, I
we'll-
have no armor.
We'll probably
We'll
get
probably
buy
get one to
after a while.
spawn. One will probably spawn.
I'm gonna buy one armor, and I'm gonna give you guys that money.
I'll drive.
I have 1500.
Don, drop the money.
Oh, he stole the money. Oh.
Where'd you get shot from?
Yeah, he just...
Don, you got shot. Move. We also need your money for armor.
I gave you guys all the armor we need for now.
Bro,
It came
I don't
from
have
the way
any.
that you're driving.
Huh?
It came from the way that you're driving.
Probably a fire station again.
No, I just saw him. I'm pretty sure. Yep, right there.
I see him. He's running up the cliff.
You're a dead man.
Oh, he's up there. He's ran over the top.
He's dipping. You should have brought anime truck.
No, I think they were getting baited.
I love getting baited.
Loadout drop headed
Oh,
your way.
well, let's stay here then.
Hey.
Free! Free at last. I see him, he's still running.
Free loot. Let's go with the growl class this time.
People in this house. 2 people in this house.
True.
Getting a charge.
I want the armor. Let me grab this real quick.
How did he hit
Setting
me?
charge.
Reviving
Down
Lily.
one. Squad lit.
Sniper's ass. Oh, they're getting fought from guys at the house. I'm gonna strike in the house.
Friendly precision airstrike inbound.
Get his ass, boys, get his ass. No tangos. No tangos, no tangos. No tango.
Pushy push.
We don't really know what we're going into, and we have high ground. Let's hold this house. The house is honestly pretty decent. You guys have claymores?
Nope.
There's one
C4.
entrance.
Why are you using my C4?
Yeah, I don't have anything either. Yeah, I'm useless too.
There's an RP Jizzle Hizzle. Oh, hello, hello.
Dead weight.
You do be
There's
dead
a
weight.
helicopter way out there.
Bozo.
23 squads on ping.
Helicopter? Somebody grab that rocket launcher?
Where's it at?
Yeah.
On ping?
I don't know, I just saw it flying. I just saw it flying. It was back towards anime truck. Alright, the next circle's about to pop up. We will coordinate our next move accordingly.
Oh, oops.
We're in the circle.
Gas is inbound. Marking
We
new
are.
safe
Do we back
zone.
up
Called
to
it.
anime truck?
Called it. Called it. Called it.
Do we back up to anime truck at these houses?
Nah.
Because the circle team right there.
We could go here
Right.
next to, Bye Buddy and just chill.
Rearm and resupply.
Listen, there's people at the bottom of the hill probably gonna have money after the fight. They're probably gonna come up to this buy buddy, and then we just
The
annihilate them.
circle still could land here.
I'm freaking out.
Because I've had a
Oh,
final
I see them. You see
circle-
him? Somebody see him right there?
Enemy here.
He's standing still. Somebody snipe him, please.
Oh, he just got shot.
I didn't get my sniper class.
Oh, he got sniped.
Hehe.
Really, you're so useless. The one time I actually want you to snipe. And you're over here like, look at my dual and eddies that I'm not gonna be able to use. I downed one. What the hell? I have aimbot.
You admitted to it.
Just because I couldn't even see him, I just started shooting and then I killed one.
Teehee.
Hit one for armor. I'm back there.
Contact.
Don't try to snipe with me.
Yeah,
shot.
he's got a sniper.
I'm gonna beepity boop behind us. Just to see if there's any Donnies.
Beep boop. Beep boop.
Donnies.
Alright, well, you stay in that room, I'll stay in this room. Colby, you stay in your room.
There's another team that's about to fight him.
Contact.
They're summiting. I hit one for
Right
armor.
back there.
I see movement.
They're about to fight. Why didn't you let them fight?
They're gonna keep fighting anyways. I'm giving the other team a chance to clap back. Maybe lower their numbers a little bit.
There's a sniper back there trying
Enemy.
Yeah, I see him. I see him.
to keep hitting him.
Hmm.
I hit him for a good amount of armor.
We're all going for that little shed right there.
What movement?
I think there's a guy on this side right here.
Moving over here.
Make sure you keep reloading your AR ammo right here,
Mid-caliber here.
because eventually the loot will despawn.
Nice.
What?
You just come up and got it all.
I used like 3 clips on the guys.
Ah, they're kicking off.
Bozo.
They're at the trees again.
I see movement.
One guy doesn't have any armor. Oh, I got hit.
Fire.
Sniper's looking at us at those trees right there.
You didn't close the door downstairs. Come on, silly uses.
Keep coming across these weirdo ass.
Was that
dudes.
armor still outside? Despawn.
No. Despawn.
Rippity rip.
Does the next circle start closing or does it close? I think it's closing right now. Yeah, it's closing.
Will stand up?
Where's the circle gonna
Stand
be?
up. Yeah, that was a
Closing
horse
down.
cut.
Up, some guys flying in.
I see one.
Oh god, the sniper's looking at me. Sniper's looking at me from like down here.
Moving over here.
Yeah, there's a guy down there on the. He's gonna try to run up to him.
Gas is
Okay,
closing in.
well.
Taking the safe zone.
Oh, I just got hit.
Oh god, I lost my armor. Maybe we leave him alone for a little bit.
I'm
Wait,
going to buy armor.
I'm gonna stay
Yeah,
downstairs
by
and see if they come through the windows.
Wait, the armor's still here.
It is.
There's 2 extra armor out here, Colby.
Solid. I'll take 2.
That's all you can have.
I took
Yeah,
1.
yeah.
I'm putting away my BB boot for the syringe.
Look at this. We still got circle. Yeah.
They're fighting close. They're coming the hill. I knocked one. Team wipe. That guy had a lot of stuff on him right there.
Enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Colby's
should've
being hunted,
gone-
not me. I'm gonna go get that
Let's
loot.
go on
Yeah.
anime truck though.
If you guys can cover me, I'm gonna go for that loot. They're looking at me from the windows. Probably not. I don't know.
Going here.
Right there.
Around. Enemy spotted.
Coming
one
back. I'm coming back, boys.
I'm going.
Give me the freaking rocket launcher.
I got some hits for armor.
If you
but-
see another one, ping them. Behind us, there's a team. Pretty
Enemy
close, looks
spotted.
like.
Yeah, they're at the dam. It's not
Vendor
close.
here. Rearm and
We
resupply.
should have won an anime truck.
Nah,
We're fine. We're in.
you're dumb. You're so dumb,
I'm
Worley.
telling you,
There's
next
people in the
circle's
forest that way.
next circle's gonna be right on anime truck.
People in the forest that way. Will you hate anime truck?
I've grown to love it.
Look at the anime girls on my guns.
No,
I wonder.
I'd rather not.
You see her?
That's a
They're all
shark and
angry.
an octopus.
No, the little
Or
charm.
squid. Wait, is it on the other side?
Oh, they died.
On the left side. We have enough to get more armors if you guys need more.
I'm at
I have
How many
4.
do you have?
I have
Full?
5.
I can hold 3 more, but I don't know if we should buy it.
No, it's not really.
What can we buy?
A cluster strike?
Not yet, we need 200 more.
3,000.
I'm an idiot.
We could buy a shield turret.
There's no point to getting that.
Just put it
I need to
down.
be smarter.
We're
and
about
get
to be in the
ammo,
circle
or-
again. Watch this. 3,
If
2,
he's
1.
Put it on top of the
Armor.
anime truck. Wait, let me drop the armor up here. I'm gonna go buy more. I don't have enough.
Over. Now it's a ghost town.
Told you
That's why we
guys.
have to leave.
It's in the mountains.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
In the mountains.
Pick up my extra. Okay.
This is gonna be an interesting one, boys.
Let's
team
head
is
up to this
still-
house.
That team is still on a dam.
The let out drop's coming on there. We can all get ghost.
First, people.
I got a guy right there. Guy right there. You can see us. Now we know we're here.
Knocked his armor.
Wait,
Got him.
there's one guy. All right. We can all get ghost up here,
Already have
and
it.
it'll give us more C4s and stuff.
I'm getting shot at by the dam.
Yep,
Well, stop.
There's extra. There's an extra armor sector there. Let me grab ghost real quick. Alright, this door has a lot of entrances.
Perfect. We can sit in corners.
Does this room have a top? It doesn't. There's no top in this, it's just all bottom. Alright, let's keep watching from behind.
Colby.
What?
I mean, Adan. Oh wait,
What?
who's close to me? Ready? 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 Look what I'm doing. Tee.
He
Tee.
came out of the closet.
Tee.
Oh,
And Don didn't know what he was doing.
I didn't, I was confused as to what's going on.
Oh, what's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? We're probably gonna lose.
Circle's gonna be.
We have enough for a cluster strike now. But the buy buddy's all the way at the dam. Do we venture for it?
That team was right there.
We kill the team?
So we're gonna have to fight a team if we go there.
I said we should at least
Which-
wait for one more squad to go down.
Alright. There's a team there at that thing.
Moving over here. Disregard my
He's
last.
looking at us with a sniper.
Oh shit.
He's at the barn house.
Heading this way.
We can honestly go out the back and nobody would notice us.
True.
Got gas inbound.
Now that people know where we
Safe
are,
zone
we kind of have to.
The zone's fine. I'm
Oh,
gonna pick up my sniper and put away
How
my
do you do that?
MP7.
I'm gonna
Nine
go
enemies
ahead and
are
grab
still
my
active.
sniper.
Hunt them down.
let's just go to the buy, buddy. What could go wrong?
He's not in the window anymore. A lot could go wrong. Alright, people are fighting over there. Let's push it. Let's push our luck.
We're probably the only. There's not many squads of 3. It looks like. Had to be some solos. Well, that's a solo down. So there could be 3 squads.
So
of
that
3.
team inside of there, remember? Oh, he's looking out the window again?
Yeah, he's looking at
Alright,
us.
he doesn't
so-
notice us. Drop me some monies. I need both of your monies. Oh god. Do you guys have ghosts?
Gas is moving.
Yeah.
God.
outside,
kinda
looking at us?
accidentally got rid of mine.
There's another one on the hill.
You ready for ghosts?
Down him.
Yeah, to get my sniper.
Oh god, he's looking at us.
From where?
Oh, up.
On the hill right there.
I see one.
Going there.
Let's just keep pushing forward. There's not much else we can do. Oh, but there's a sniper over there. He dinked me.
Taking fire over here.
What's the play here? Hit him for some armor.
Oh god. Getting lit up, I'm down. He's right there.
Downed him.
I can crawl to this log.
Hey, I'm moving this way.
Colby, there's a sniper.
Oh shit.
Take to the safe
Taking
zone.
fire.
Hope we get me. They seem to be fighting other people.
Okay, I've got you.
Where they cover from the right side.
Good shot.
Yeah, he's on the hill. Get his ass, get his ass, get his ass.
Motherfucker.
I'm down a little bit.
Get over here.
He's finishing me. He's just trying to finish Willie.
Stay up.
I'm gonna try and get you real quick.
There's a cluster strike on my body, boys. And more armor. And an
Honestly,
armor satchel.
Got gas moving in.
Colby, do you have armor?
Yeah, I don't know.
Good.
Okay, it's 2 other people, really.
I feel like they might be solos.
Hopefully.
There's one guy over here. I remember
Yeah.
in the kill cam, he revived a guy in the kill cam. So it might be a 2v2.
Okay.
Behind me. Yeah, they're solos. It's a separate guy.
He's in here, he's in here. He's lit, he's lit.
I downed him.
Wait.
He's trying to self-revive. William putting in armor.
To your right, Whirly to your right, Whirly to your right.
Yo,
Whirly to your right. Oh my.
Where's he at? Oh, I need to
You got this, Kobe. You got this, Kobe. You got this, Kobe.
Got him.